Don't throw away your leftover pasta. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Pasta frittata is a classic street food from Naples. It is what we do in Italy when we have leftover pasta. Some, like me actually, make sure to have leftover pasta so they can make a frittata the next day. While there are many ways to make it, I like it thin and crunchy, and this is how I do it. The type of leftover pasta will give a different result. You can use any pasta seasoned with vegetable, cheese, meat or seafood, but the best results comes from a white sauce. A leftover pasta seasoned with tomato sauce will not be crispy. For me, the best results come from pasta with pesto or vegetables and cheese. On one Italian portion of leftover pasta, add 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of Parmesan. Keep this ratio if you want a crispy frittata like this. Mix with a fork until the pasta is evenly coated. If you're cooking pasta specifically to fry it, let it cool down at room temperature first, at least an hour. If you add an egg to hot pasta, the steam will cook the egg before it even reaches the pan, and you lose the binding. For the fat, use 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of olive oil together. Butter gives it flavor. Olive oil raises the smoke point, so the butter doesn't burn before the crust forms. Heat them in a pan over a medium heat. Pour in the pasta and spread it into a single even layer. Do not cover the pan, because any moisture trapped underneath will soften the crust as it is formed. Leave it on the heat for several minutes without touching it. You need to hear it fry. To check if it's ready to turn, slide a spatula underneath. If you lift it cleanly as one piece, it's ready. Place the pan lid over the top. Flip both together so the frittata lands on the lid with the cooked side up. Then slide it back into the pan. Cook the second side uncovered until the crust is set. Slide it into a plate. You can eat it hot, straight from the pan, or let it cool down and take it to a picnic and cut in slices. The crust holds firm even when cold. For more pasta recipe like this one, check out their playlist I've linked for you. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out our next culinary adventure. Yes, you can also fry leftover rice.